name is Yossi Shemavi. Sorry, thank you. I'm here with my sister Chaya Maor, my daughter Ella Shemavi, and my daughter Yael. Today, we will memorialize my father's parents and sister. Jews lived mostly in peaceful coexistence in Lithuania for almost 700 years, with the first documented Jewish life recorded in 1567. I feel that against our will, my sister and I, along with the first generation of Israelis that were born after the war, carry a personal and historical burden to remember, to make sense of it all, to make sense of what happened. And I'm very torn. I'm torn how to reconcile darkness with kindness, good and evil. I'm torn how to connect 600 years of peaceful coexistence with 70,000 people dead in Ponar. I'm torn. How to tell my friends in America that the final solution started in Lithuania, where 90 to 95% of the Jews were killed or died, and many of them by the locals. There was the highest ratio of killing in all of Europe. I'm torn how to explain that Lithuania is just beginning the process of their role in the killing 72 years after the war and 26 years after independence. I'm torn how to accept when folks here equate anti-Soviet activities under the guise of mass killing. I'm torn how to accept the sentiment of victimization of Lita by the Nazis and Soviets as an explanation for the killings. I'm torn to understand why even today some people are still afraid to talk about what they saw, people that are still alive. I'm torn to understand how the human nature can be so polarized. On the one hand, a non-Jewish neighbor of my father who saved his life, and on the other, people who pushed his sister into the flames in Bezdani. But I'm also very hopeful. I think we're all very hopeful. Because at the end, kindness and justice win.